Big body Benz. Hey, I really don't understand why people keep fleeing traffic stops. You must got something super duper illegal to hide. And that's what happened with this guy. He's driving a Mercedes though. That thing is nice. That Mercedes SUV. So from LA with a motorcycle, from last video, we're going down to Florida with FHP trying to catch this guy that evaded a traffic stop for some odd reason. I don't know why. So Mercedes, probably the V8 bi-turbo engine, pushing like 1,000 horsepower. Not 1,000, but you get it, a lot of horsepower. But hey, shout out to Scooper. I'm gonna leave a link to his channel in the description, guys. Go check him out. But let's go ahead and check out this video and see what's up with the Benz and the cops. Let's go. You guys already know what's up. Never mind. We go from the chopper in the last video to front row seat in a cruiser. If you guys enjoy these videos, just watch them around, hey, go hit that subscribe button and leave a little comment. That helps out.
I'm here. What am I looking for? I'm right behind it.
Alright, finally. I was thinking like they didn't really catch this guy.
You gonna light it up? Light it up. I'm right behind
Yeah, that's that V8 bi-turbo, man. I saw a little emblem in the fender. I think it's quick. Oh, he trying to get out. That's rough. That is a rough one. Hold up. So these are the Chargers. Huh. Now we're good. You good? Yeah, we're good. Hey, yo, I told you, man. Can't be messing with FHP. My guy wasting no time. He's like, oh, you gonna run? I bet. Let me show you a little trick I got. and pitted him, made him crash into a wall. That thing is quick. You saw when he took off, bro, he just left. The cop, to catch up, he had to slow down 100%. 100%. What do you think will win, a Hellcat or one of those Mercedes with a V8 twin turbo, whatever? Off the line, the Mercedes. But from a roll, if a Hellcat got some, like a drag pack or something, it's gonna be tough. Hey, yo, my guy, 48 years old, is too old to be running from the cops, man. And it took him a bit to find them, so I guess he ran before and low-key got away. That's why they required assistance to catch him. And even then, it took him a while to catch him. So when they did try to pull over, my guy faked it, took off again, got pitted. Now he's cooked. Now he got several felonies. 48 years old, bro. I expect like a 20-something-year-old to do it, but a 48-year-old, come on, bro. You should just be chilling. Hey, man, what's up, officer? Like, you know, damn. I don't really got much to say. You guys saw everything that just happened. It's a nice Mercedes. Now it's going to a freaking junkyard or the salvage yard or whatever, or probably get fixed and sold in auction. You know, total salvage title, something like that. I don't know. But I'll take it. I'll fix it myself. Shoot. Anyways, guys. Hey, that's all I got. It was just a quick video. I hope you guys are enjoying all these chase videos, man. Honestly. Hey, shout out to Scooper. I'm gonna link his channel in the description, guys. Comment down below what you guys think. But that's it. Remember, God is good. Put him first always. Stay blessed, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna catch y'all later. Deuces.